Unraveling, overall, a deep dive into the phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to delve into a commonly used phrase in the English language, overall. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meaning, usage, and context. Let's dive in. Overall is an adverb or adjective that encapsulates the general idea or the main point of something. It refers to considering all the parts or aspects of a particular situation, subject, or period of time. For example, as an adverb, the team played well, but overall they could have been better. As an adjective, the overall performance of the car is good, though there are some minor issues. When using overall in a sentence, it often conveys a summary or conclusion after discussing various details. Examples: 1. After discussing the strengths and weaknesses of a movie, one might say, overall, the movie was enjoyable. 2. After listing the various dishes tried at a restaurant, overall, the food was delectable, and I would recommend it. Remember, it's used to give a comprehensive perspective or summarize a multitude of points. Sometimes, people overuse the term or place it incorrectly in a sentence. Here's what you need to watch out for. Redundancy. Avoid saying things like, overall, in general, the day was good. Using overall and in general together is redundant. Placement. Overall should usually come at the beginning or the end of a sentence. For instance, the book, overall, was interesting, is less common and might sound awkward to some. And there we have it. Overall is a handy word to use when you want to summarize or give a comprehensive view of something. It helps listeners or readers understand your general opinion after discussing various details. We hope this video shed light on the usage and importance of the word. Until next time, keep learning and improving.